If you're looking for a move-in ready home in South Florida at an affordable price, then we might have the property for you. Let's go check it out.
You will love what you see when you first walk up. Sleek design, tropical landscaping, a spacious one-car garage, and a fenced-in covered patio that's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Plus, we are close to tons of shopping and the beach. The open floor plan of your new home is bright and inviting, and check out this kitchen with stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, a gorgeous backsplash, and check out this island. It's so big that you can sit and eat here, and you have direct views of your backyard oasis.
Upstairs is completely upgraded. It's got premium waterproof vinyl, which means there's no carpet. And the primary bedroom has a private spa-like bathroom with a walk-in closet.
Living here means low maintenance luxury. The HOA covers lawn care, offers access to a pool, fitness center, and clubhouse, all at an affordable monthly fee.
And that's not all. You'll be close to restaurants like Sicilian Oven, Naughty Dog Cafe, and everything in between. When you live here, you'll have nearly everything you need nearby. If this sounds like the place for you, give us a call and schedule a showing today.
And if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell.